Hey everybody, welcome back to another GIS tutorial with me, Skip. Today we're going to talk about the buffer tool. It's probably one of the most important tools that any GIS analyst will have in their toolkit. A lot of times you're asked to highlight an area within, highlight an area with a radius of 5 miles around a given point, and let's plot that. Sometimes they're called range rings. You need to find, the range or all the area within X amount of distance from a given location. For today, we're going to do that. We're going to learn that buffer tool, and we're going to use this selection layer here that I made a couple videos ago, showing all of the Jersey Mike's sublocations in the greater Salt Lake City area. Let's say, for example, I'm house hunting and I'm moving to Salt Lake City, but I really, really love Jersey Mike's, and I have to live somewhere within 5 miles of a Jersey Mike's, or I'm not going to live there. I would use this analysis here. We're going to do this buffer tool to find all the areas within 5 miles of Jersey Mike's and say this is the only area that I'm going to house hunt. So without further ado, let's get into the tool. If you go up to Analysis on the ribbon and click on Tools, you'll get this little Geoprocessing Tools window on the right. We're going to type in Buffer because the Buffer tool is what we're going to use. We're going to click that. In here, for the input features, that's going to be the features that we want to create our rings around. We're going to use this selection layer here in the example because that's the layer that I have all of my Salt Lake City Jersey Mike's on, but for you, it's whatever layer you want to draw circles around the features of. It will automatically give you an output feature class name. It's typically a shortened version of the input feature layer title, _buffer. Here in distance, we're going to go with miles because I'm in the United States, and I want to live within 5 miles. Now, ArcGIS Pro will default to planar for measurements. However, it's typically, if you go to geodesic, it's going to take a touch longer to do, but it is more accurate. So we're going to switch that to geodesic. And we're going to click Run. After just a brief time here, we're going to see all of the areas within 5 miles of a Jersey Mike's are going to be covered with this blue overlay. So that's how you use the buffer tool. But if you're moving to Salt Lake and you need to live near a Jersey Mike's, looks like right here around West Jordan, South Jordan, Salt Lake, you're going to have plenty of Jersey Mike's options. So yep, that's the buffer tool. If you have any questions, drop those in the comments. If this was helpful, be sure to click the like button, maybe subscribe for some more GIS tutorials down the road. And that's all I got for today. Thanks, everybody.